In September 2005, Carlow County Council acquired Duckett's Grove and commenced with restorations of the two interconnecting walled gardens. It was officially opened September 2007 for the use of a public park. Work on the wall can be clearly seen through the contrast of the brick and the limestone. Carlow County Council are working hard to conserve the building and all its elements from vandals. Cameras and security are in place throughout the year to try and conserve the historic building. Steel beams have been used to help support the front wall of the house where the floors have collapsed. Concrete lintels and beams have been used to support the doorways and floor structures that were in danger of falling. Unfortunately, not all could be restored, with the upstairs of the gatehouse left exposed to the elements and vandals.